Hi, welcome to today's class. And today's lesson, quoted speech. What is a quoted speech? It is also known as direct speech. It states the exact words said by a speaker. Mr. Smith said, "We must work together to finish fast." Those are the exact words Mr. Smith said. My little brother asked, "Why do we have to go to school every day?" Why do we have to go to school every day is the quoted speech. It's the direct speech and the exact words said by the little brother. How to write a quoted speech? To write a quoted speech, it is important to focus on punctuation and capitalization rules. First step, place a comma after reporting verbs, said, asked. Second step, put the exact words the speaker said within quotation marks. Third step, capitalize the first word said in the quoted sentence. He said, comma, open quotation, "We will leave," close quotation. We is capitalized. The first letter of we is capitalized. Fourth step, before the final quotation mark, we add an end mark. It's either a period, a question mark, or exclamation mark. What are other ways to write a quoted speech? If the quoted speech comes first and it is followed by a reporting verb, we use a comma, not a period. In this example, we have started with the quoted speech. "I love visiting the beach in winter," comma, close quotation, "Mary said." So it is followed by a comma, not a period. Another way to write a quoted speech is when the quoted speech is divided, a comma is used after the first part of the quote and the first word of the second half of the quote is not capitalized. Let's take an example. So, "The class," she said, "will start in an hour." Originally, the sentence or the quoted speech is "the class will start in an hour." It is divided into two. The class and will start in an hour. The class, comma, close quotation, she said, comma, open quotation, complete the sentence, will start in an hour. However, we do not capitalize the first word of the second half. Okay? And we place an end mark, which is a point in this case. So what are the quotation rules? Punctuation rule number 1, we use quotation marks to surround the exact words someone says, asks, or interjects. We do not use two apostrophes, only quotation marks. Punctuation rule number 2, place exclamation marks or question marks inside your quotation marks, inside them, not outside. Example, "Get off," exclamation mark, close quotation, "She spat." Who? Me? Question mark. Inside the quotation marks, not outside. Punctuation rule number 3, to join quoted speech to he said or an alternative, we use a comma. If we start first with a quoted speech, we place a comma. Now, comma, he said, point. I said, comma, later. Okay, that was all for today. Thank you.